Okay, I'm going to be working on task 5. We need to prove that the unshaded region here is 180.17. Now I've divided my shape into 3 triangles, so that's the first one, second one, and third one. So I'm going to be working on those triangles in order. So I've chosen the first triangle, BCD. I've chosen this one here because I've got this side given and this side and that angle here. So I can calculate the length of that third side using the cosine rule. So I've used the cosine rule and the length is 18.57. The next thing, I'm going to calculate the angle CDB, so this one here, and I've used the sine rule for that. So using the sine rule, the angle size is 13.27. And now using again, using the 180 angles at a triangle, I've taken away this angle and that, and this one here will be 134.97. Now I've calculated what I needed in that triangle. Now I'll calculate the area. To calculate the area, I've used what's already been given. So I've got 1, 2 sides, and the third angle. So I've used what's been given, and the area, that's 53.21. So that's, I'm just shading it, the area here. Now the next triangle that I will use, this one here, I've got already this side because I've calculated. I can calculate this angle here by taking away 13.27 from 73.66. So I will end up with 60.39. And then I can calculate this side length here using the cosine rule. So the answer is 16.24. And then I can calculate this angle here using either the sine or the cosine rule because I've got enough information. I've used the sine rule and it's given me 30.29 degrees. Now once I know this angle here, then I can calculate this one by 180 minus those two, and the angle here is 89.32 degrees. So I've calculated now, I can calculate now the area of this triangle, and the area is 76.49. Now on the third triangle, I don't have to calculate every single side length and the area, the angle is just because I don't really have another shape attached to it that I need. So now I'm calculating the angles here first because they are got enough information for the angles. So you can see here I've calculated the angle BEA, so it's BEA, this one here, by taking 89.32 from 115, and the answer is 26.4. And now I calculate the angle EBA from taking 134.97 and 30.29 from 242.25, and the answer is 76.99. And now I can calculate this angle here, which is I needed for the center of the sector. So I've got 180 minus those two, and the answer is 76.61 degrees. Now the next bit, I need to know the radius of this sector. So at the moment I can calculate this area of this triangle. Fine, I've got a side length and I've got 3 angles. Okay, I need another side length, so I will have to calculate. You can calculate AE or BA, but I choose to calculate BA because it will help me to know the radius of this sector, which is I need it later. So I'll calculate BA, and there using the sine rule. I can't use the cosine rule in here because I don't have a third side, so I have to use the sine rule, and that's give me 7.43. So I've calculated using here. Now I can calculate the area of this triangle, and the area is 58.7. Now I need to calculate the area of this sector, so I can take it away from the total area of those 3 triangles. And just trying to fix the focus again, not sure why. Yeah, that will do. Okay, so the area of the third triangle, sorry, the area of the sector now. Now the area of the sector is radius times angle. I know the radius already because I've got the length side of AB is 7.43. I take away 4.22, which is already being given to me, and then I get 3.2 as the radius. Now I have to change the center angle to radius. So remember, times pi, divide by 180. So I've got this radius. Now I can calculate the area of a sector, and then I've multiplied everything together, give me 6.49. That's the area of this sector here. Then the unshaded area, I add all the three areas of the triangles that I found, 1, 2, 3, and then I take away the area of the sector and give me 181.91, which is close enough to 180.70. It's not exact, it's due to rounding because we've done lots of rounding earlier. Thank you so much for listening.